strawberry pancakes and or waffles. Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, he's got himself out there. Watch yourself.
Treadmills that have, it's a Life Fitness. I think they're probably the newest ones, because the cool thing about it is you can sync your iPod right onto the screen and you have, here I'll show you. Okay, so I plugged in my iPod and then I can save my workout to my iPod. It's pretty awesome. You can even watch, I want one of these at home. You can watch TV, you can look at all, you can click on your iPod and find all of your music, and it's, everything is right here for my iPod. Pretty cool, don't you think? So, one of my favorite things.